Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from BlockDAG 2025, step by step. Whether you're cashing out your earnings or transferring funds to your wallet, this guide will make the process super simple and secure. Let's get started. You cannot withdraw money from BlockDAG. You can withdraw your tokens yet because the X1 app is still in the mining phase. All BDAG tokens will remain locked until BlockDAG launches its mainnet, which is when withdrawals will start. To get ready, complete KYC verification in the app to secure your account. Keep mining until the mainnet goes live. Once the launch happens, you can move your tokens to your in-app wallet. Until then, just keep mining. And that's it. You've just learned how to withdraw money from BlockDAG 2025 quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto guides and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.